Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone X with a cracked screen, and then you can see up there it's cracked all the way where the camera is. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I'm checking my vital signs, drawing my battle lines, going to war again. Feeling the rhythm inside of my chest, all I need is just a pen. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. Don't care for the critics, my words are like physics, a force that they can't stop. They just don't get it, I think they forget I'm not done till I'm on top. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I believe we can write our story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors.
And we are done. So 13 minutes and 19 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone X screen, and everything looks great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Right now, during October and March, we're doing specials, so make sure you get in touch with us, either through Facebook, Instagram, our website, YouTube. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.